Copper. Now you copy. Sir, you copy. All copy. All copy.
So it's a two-way thing, sir. One, we are retaining the land. Second, the investment what we have made by way of compound wall or whatever it is, we are recovering through sandalwood.
That's what it is. The reason why I asked you, the land where you are seeing, from how far you are looking at it?
Sir, from Hosur right now it is around 15 kilometers, sir.
Hosur is a town, no?
Yeah, Hosur is a town, a major town only, on the Bangalore highway.
Then Hosur from 15 kilometers, your land value is much higher, no?
Yeah, it is higher. As of now, we are looking at a normal cost only, not that high at the moment. Little interior. Close to Karnataka border.
Not on the highway.
But it will definitely appreciate.
Hosur area which plan Hosur area which plan like that.
So you are a group or a company? Your company is there.
We are a group, sir. He is from Coimbatore. We are all from more or less Coimbatore. So it's a joint
Jointly
acquisition.
you want to purchase land
Yeah.
and then you want to
We will do we will do around 200 to 300 acres on my own part. He will do around 1,500 to 2,000 acres. He may do around 200 acres. Like that, we are consolidating and doing, sir. So we want to do the project together in one area.
in one year. I understand.
What is
I mean, sorry to ask you, at what price you are trying to procure the land? Approximately.
no real estate business?
No, I'm not saying this. So why I'm telling you is, okay, so I'm trying to advise you at this stage, juncture, give you some inputs when you are
Maximum
5 lakhs.
maximum 5 lakhs. Maximum.
No, that's what.
That's our budget and target, sir.
So getting it to 5 lakhs, then it's good.
Yeah.
Good land. Why? And then your water source is there, no? Some.
Water source is there. And rainfall also good.
900 mm rainfall. Good weather, sir.
Not like here extreme temperature.
Summer rains is there. Elevation is 750 to 800 meter. Like Bangalore, sir. Like Bangalore weather.
So ultimately, you want to make a land bank, the land will get appreciated. You want to plant sandalwood, so that after 15 or 16 years, you want to make. Ultimately,
Yes.
this thing is that it is appreciated in making.
Correct. Yes, sir. Correct. And in between, we were thinking that growing sheep will be our only source of income. But if there is something else, you let us know. That also we are open to consider, sir.
Other else,
You suggest us.
some other idea.
That's what I wanted to give you an idea. The reason is when I asked you the rate and everything,
So this is in our mind. If it's not then better idea we will give.
so my first
So
suggestion is
ultimately, we make money.
that ultimate goal is that. In that goal, then I will be stop. Sir, purchase land anywhere if you get between 5 to 10 also. And if water source is there, if the soil is red in color, and then with the
Red soil.
chips,
Yeah.
the soil is red in color, there is 5 to 10 lakhs, invest. The reason first is I'm telling you. So land is going to become costly in the near future to come. In Telangana, if somebody wants to purchase a land, any land, anywhere you go, it will not be less than 15 lakhs. In the morning, you must be local. Right? Anywhere. Below 10 lakhs, you can land never. There's no land. If you're getting the land, you purchase all legal issues. You see all your legal issues, purchase the land. And what I suggest is that after getting all the land, when you give me the land plan, first you do the layout. You don't get into real estate, I'll let you know. The layout will not be there in the field. Layout will be there in the paper. According to the layout, I give a design. You plan. Whatever the plan. Suppose you wanted to, I will plan.
Now the digital survey, then you will do.
Little bit. How you can make money, I think. Once you make a digital layout like 400, 500 sketch, you will become layout. And after that layout, every design will come, and then we will give you whatever the crop. Say for example, we will go for out and out sandalwood or timber. We will decide whether sandalwood, timber, sandalwood, any other crop, that we will decide. We will give you a per acre how many plants you are going to get. Once that is in place, assume you have implemented the technology. After 5 years, 10 years, the trees will grow. You maintain it. When you maintain after 5 years or 10 years, for example, you need some money from at that point of moment. After 5 years or 7 years, you sell some part that should go very at a higher price than the land value. You understand?
Correct.
I'm not saying that you will sell everything. See, you have a very big land bank. But this big land bank, if you just design, if you don't properly design, then you can't sell anything. If you design properly, suppose you may be having 200 acres, your share. You wanted some 20-30 acres, you want to just let it out. It should be that the design concept should be such a way that at 5 years of second invest, that design will come up. You can just part away with 10 to 20 acres. 10 to 20 acres I want to purchase, say for example. I'm a buyer, I'm looking for a good land, I want to purchase. At that time, you put, from the land value it will go to 10 to 20 times, no? Normal land value may be appreciated up to 5 times. But this plantation has got a very big standard. That's how today you have seen how people are coming.
No, amazing, sir. They sold everything out.
Sir, that's what I'm telling you. People are coming and then purchase. Why they are purchasing? They have seen the food. They want to purchase. They want to make a small purchase. No? Everybody wants some land, piece of land. Likewise, don't try to sell. They are trying to sell immediately. I'm not telling you not to sell immediately. You maintain a time. After that, you will put for sale, smaller area. You know how much they are selling sale? 400 area, they are selling it for 30 lakhs. That too, how
Far away.
at that time, you don't do a lot of hangama now. They have to put lot of hangama. See, they have put everything. You also need some space. Entire some 10-20 acres you use for replacement, but don't spend money replacement now, as of today. Later on, after 5 years, you put it. Then don't you think that people will come and purchase at that particular point? If I say, for example, 400 to 500 square yards, 500 square yards, you have offered 500 square yards. I have some 25 or 50 sandwood plants. Means my LTV 50 sandwood plants, 50 sandwood after 10 years, this will become less. I will definitely invest now at 5 years or maybe 10 years. Why? At the time of my purchase, my time is only 10 years. After 10 years, I will be enjoying that food. That's why I will put investment. There must be some incentive for me to invest.
Short term, not
Short term.
10 years.
See, my term is only for 10 years. So if I invest 50 lakhs now, maybe 500 square years, if I invest 50 lakhs now, in what after 10 years, I know that people should spend them. That's why you have to